Juggling is one of the most fundamental activities that should be worked on from the youngest age. Not only does it help players become more comfortable with the ball by developing touch and technique, but it can also help players from a physical standpoint by improving agility, balance, and coordination. In today's video, we'll go through a few simple exercises for beginners that will help you in learning this fundamental skill. It's important to firstly understand and develop the proper mechanics to juggle a soccer ball. For this exercise, start out by taking a seat on the ground with your feet set flat, knees bent, and ball held out in front of you. While keeping the ball in place, lift your legs and strike the ball with the shoelace region of your foot. Be sure to keep your toes extended out and lock your ankles when making contact with the ball. Once you're comfortable with the mechanics, you can progress to dropping the ball from the same seated position and kick the ball back into your hands. By dropping the ball from a seated position first, it gives beginners a greater chance of success as there is less distance between hands and feet. For this exercise, start in a standing position with the ball near waist level. As we did previously, simply drop the ball and kick it back into your hands using the shoelace region of your foot. Be sure to maintain the same mechanics and always alternate between using right and left foot. Once you're comfortably able to kick the ball back into your hands using both feet, you can progress to 2 juggles in between catches. The aim should be to take your touches near waist level. For our final progression, we'll eliminate the use of our hands and use a bounce in between our touches. Depending on your comfort level, you can take 1 or 2 touches in between each bounce. The key here is to start building a rhythm and a feel for keeping the ball up consistently. Like any new skill, juggling will take time to improve. While it can be frustrating in the early stages, the key is to be persistent and always challenge yourself. Keep track of your records and always aim to improve on it when practicing.